When was the last time you invested in yourself? What's happening? It's Ryan with Lawn Crack, and I'm trying to get back on a pumping videos out schedule. So I just wanted to make a quick video here to let you guys know that I put my money where my mouth is, and I haven't made a bunch of videos on Audible or books or anything like that recently, but I'm still continuing to get my 2 Audible credits a month, and I download the books and I listen to them. And I did make a video on all the books that I'll put the little card up here if you want to see all these books that would just so benefit you. I can't recommend enough that turn off the music for a second and listen to some of these books. But just so you know, there is the link in the description where you can go and you can get 2 free Audible books, absolutely free. Pick any you want, go scan my list, decide which one would benefit you the most and get that book and improve yourself, improve your life, improve your business. That's what I want to see happen for more people in the world. But I can't, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. So whatever. But my point is I've been on Audible since, I have no idea. I have over 150 books in my Audible library now. I just absolutely love it. But I've talked about maximizing results in the past, and they're awesome. They're changing people's lives for the better. And I've been through their webinar series. I've been through their Think and Grow Rich webinar series twice. I've been through their effective communication webinar one time, and there are 288 bucks a pop for one thing. So, we're almost to $900 invested in myself just through those webinars, which are life-changing. I would highly recommend them. I enjoyed the Think and Grow Rich webinar more than the effective communication, but it certainly did help me as I'm really socially awkward, oddly enough. But so they also have a program called Thinking into Results. They're actually, one of the guys at Maximizing Results is certified through the Proctor Gallagher Institute to teach their material. So it's actually Bob Proctor's Thinking into Results program that's being facilitated by Tim Burgess at Maximizing Results, and I just signed up for it. And the really funny thing here is I called Al. It's Al and Tim are the partners at Maximizing Results. I called Al and I said, hey man, I just met with this guy who's going through your Thinking and Results program. It's obviously, he's a huge fan, said it's changing his life. It's changed his life already. He's still going through it. Like, I have to sign up. I don't care what it costs. That's what I said. and then he's like, oh great, that's awesome. I thought you'd be interested in that at some point. I'm very glad you made this decision. Let's do lunch and get you signed up and blah blah blah. So we go to lunch and he gives me the paperwork. I get to the end of the paperwork that goes over the cost of the Thinking into Results program. $5,800. So if you don't think that I'm not making these videos and just like throwing this stuff out like, here, you guys do this, you guys do this. No, I'm doing this stuff. It's really working for me, and I just highly recommend it. It's made my life so much better in every single way, and I don't know why more people don't proactively try to improve their life. But I feel like the people that watch the Lawn Crack channel, especially videos like this, are wanting to improve their life, improve their business, go places that other people think are, oh, I can't ever afford to go there, to drive cars that people are like, oh, the rich and famous people drive those, or live in a house that's just unbelievable. You know what I'm saying? Like, why not? You only get one life to live. Why not do all that stuff? It doesn't make any sense. It's not like you're holding anybody else back from you being successful. Like, you being successful is not stopping anybody else. And if you know anything about becoming successful, the quickest and easiest way to do that is to help other people become successful, because it's just a reciprocity thing. Like, it just, what goes around comes around, and you feed off each other's energy, and they're making more money, so you're working with them, you're making more money. It's just, oh my gosh, it's just a snowball effect. Once you buy into this, positive mindset, this and that, but at the end of the day, you gotta act, you gotta take action, you gotta say, I'm getting my Audible subscription right now. Even if you get your 2 free books, they're free, they're absolutely free. You put in your credit card, get your books, and then cancel. Two free books, that's it. You're never charged nothing. And if you want to be like me, you just stay on their little $2, you get 2 credits a month, and I think it's like $22.95, something like that, a nominal fee. And I mean, these books have made me literally millions of dollars over the years running my business. My business is. I'm a serial business guy these days. But that's all I got for you. I just want you guys to know that I'm not sitting here like telling you guys stuff that I don't do myself, that I don't believe in, that I just want to throw out what's going through my head when I sit back and reflect, like how did I get here? And guys, I'm not satisfied with where I am. I mean, I am. You need to be grateful for what you have, and I certainly am. Like, sometimes I wake up just like, oh my gosh, like this is just amazing. But I also know what I did to put myself in this position. I did the 90-hour weeks. I did work, Monday through Sunday, literally every day of the year. Like, I work on my birthday, I work on Christmas, I work on New Year's. I don't care. I love what I do. So I hope you feel the same way, and we're just here to help. And I hope the business is doing well. And until the next video, keep making money.